Hello and welcome to Sehrawat Brothers. Today, we are excited to showcase our innovative smart touch LED mirrors, perfect for elevating your home's aesthetic. With our WhatsApp API account, we will be sharing detailed information about our products and services directly with you. Let's get started. At Sehrawat Brothers, we manufacture smart touch LED mirrors in both standard and customized sizes to suit your unique requirements. We offer multiple standard sizes, as well as a variety of customization options in size, design, and lighting. Our smart touch LED mirrors come with multicolor lights, sensor lights, and smart lights that work seamlessly with Google Home and Alexa. You can even control them using your mobile device. We manufacture smart touch LED mirrors suitable for both interior and exterior applications. Sehrawat Brothers Smart Touch LED mirrors are crafted from a range of high-quality materials, available in numerous thicknesses, colors, and designs. We create stunning, functional mirrors tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Smart Touch LED mirrors not only enhance your space visually but also offer practical benefits such as anti-fog, energy efficiency, and adjustable lighting. With various types, including wall-mounted and freestanding mirrors, you're sure to find the perfect mirror for your space. We provide free and secure home delivery of our products, complete with 100% insurance coverage all over India. Enjoy factory pricing and the best material guarantee, as we are the proud manufacturers of these exceptional Smart Touch LED mirrors. If you have any questions, simply type your query, and our chatbot will provide complete information about the product in seconds. We're here to make your shopping experience as seamless as possible. To enhance your shopping experience, we have integrated our WhatsApp API account at 7827678276 to handle your inquiries. Our chatbot is available 24/7 to provide you with detailed information on our products, including images, videos, and pricing. In case our chatbot can't answer your question, our dedicated customer support team at Sehrawat Brothers is ready to help. It may take some time, but we assure you that we will respond to your query. Thank you for choosing Sehrawat Brothers for your smart touch LED mirror needs. Visit our website or connect with us on WhatsApp to explore our collection. Namaskar and Jai Hind.